guys, welcome back to Hobby Farm Homestead. Today is Saturday morning. Got a lot of errands I got to get done. First thing we got to do is go up to the fairgrounds, drop off a pitchfork for the wife and the girls. They're decorating the barn and stuff like that. Me and the boy, we got to go to the B&V, which no one likes going there. And we got to go to the feed mill, get some food for Porky. And then we got to go to Porky's place and get it all cleaned up, get her cleaned up, get her pen in order, and get the other two pigs' pen cleaned up. And that should be about the day. We'll probably have some more things to do at the fairgrounds. But yeah, we're heading up there right now. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Midway? Huh? Sorry. We're buying up over here. Alright guys, well we had to stop up here, feed Porky real quick. Like I said, today we are definitely getting to get her pen all cleaned up. These two guys' pen all cleaned up. Once she goes to the fair, we're going to separate these two. She's going to get a bath today and get her straw cleaned. All that good stuff. But right now I'm going to go ahead and get her fed. Then we got to run to the B&B. And I'm sure there's going to be something I forgot. Paperwork wise, I'm going to B&B. And that's like a standard for sure. All right, so let's get these guys fed. Thought I was gonna have enough feed for the fair, but I'm gonna have to get one more bag of this stuff.
Does she eat of those things?
Spiderwebs all over the place. Hold on to it. Okay, one thing I gotta add to this is yogurt and a little bit of top. Stuff kind of makes it a little bit sweeter. I don't give her a lot of it. So it's like a fat supplement. All right, I'm gonna mix this up with water and feed her, and then away we go. right, she's
I think this
all
is
happy now. She's eating. These guys, all I usually got to do is take this stick. Open that up, Wyatt. Get down there. Make sure it's going down. Put another bag in there tonight. Sure. That's it. That's it for those guys. Now we will separate them. So one of them I will have to pan feed, which is not a big deal. Like I said, those guys are going October 4th. All right, so let's get onto that B&V. Probably won't film anything with that, and we'll get to the feed store. Then we're coming back here. All right, well, my camera was just shut off by itself. I'm not really sure. I have been having so much problems with these, either the camera or the SD card. This SD card is brand new, so oh well. Just hopefully this isn't going to be a wasted day. You know, time the end of the day is when it usually happens, and those cards go berserk, and I lose all my footage. So I hope that don't happen, but we'll see. All right. Anyways, like I was saying, let's go to the B&V, and we'll go to the feed mill. And we'll come right back here and take care of the stalls, get her all Porky all scrubbed up, and then we'll go up to the fair again. So I'll catch you guys in a little bit. All right, guys, we're done with all the little errands. B&B got his haircut, and got our food for the pig. So we're going to go ahead and work on this pen first. It's the worst, but we're going to take them out and see if we can get them weighed. Just curious to see where they're at. Last time I weighed them, probably almost been 2 weeks. So let's get them out and see what they weigh. That's the girl.
Yeah, this one's lighter.
Let her out.
Put her in the washer?
Yeah, we can get them back here. He's the big boy right there. I go get Porky. Gotta get her out. Keep her head up. Up underneath of her. There you go. Perfect. All right, scrub that in. Scrub that in. There's a thing right there. Wyatt, come on. Get her white spots good underneath the belly. Your butt right there.
Throw some on the tail and on top.
All right, she's all nice and happy. So are these two. She dries off tonight, we'll come up and get her all oiled up, see if we missed any hair last time we trimmed her. And I'll go ahead and film some of that if we get up here. There's so much other stuff we got to do. But right now we're going to head down to the hobby farm, and I'll catch you guys down there. All right, guys, we're down here at the hobby farm, and kind of looks like I'm in a cornfield, don't it? This is that decorative corn that I have planted here that I got from Paula Wells. I just can't believe how friggin' tall it is. It's just up there a ways. I want to pull the fence down around here so I can get up close to it and weed eat it. But yeah, my next chore is basically getting this lawn mowed up so it's done for the week. And I think I'm pretty much done for the day. So let's, I'll tell you what, I can't stand living by this busy road. Sometimes these people just hammer their cars. It's like, they just, I don't know, want everybody to hear their vehicle or something. But anyways, I'm gonna get this cleaned up around here, and then get out here and mow the lawn. So let's get this weed eated and cleaned up. All right, well, it's all weed eated. I'll let this stuff turn this fall and then harvest it, see what it looks like. It's supposed to be all kinds of different colors. All right, guys, so I'm going to get on the Gravely 150 and get the rest of the lawn mowed, and that's going to be it for today. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up for sure, and if you're not subscribed, please think about subscribing. We do videos like this and carpentry videos, building projects, all kinds of sorts of animals, all kinds of stuff that we do here on the hobby farm. So if you're interested in any of that stuff, please think about subscribing. All right, guys, I'll catch you guys later.